ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ନେଇଯାଉଛି ହେଲା ଫଟୋ ଆସୁନି
Captain Ashish and flag holder Anup Shah. Now presenting the Lego House. It truly shows a sense of unity, discipline and determination. It shows nature and generosity. Led by Captain Rudra and Vice Captain Palak. अब मंच की ओर बढ़ रहा है अशोक हाउस अनुशासन और दृढ़ निश्चय का प्रतीक। सर्वप्रथम उनके कैप्टन पीयूष पित्तरकी और उनके पीछे ध्वजवाहक सुहाना लखुआ गर्व से अशोक हाउस का ध्वज थामे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। उनके पीछे यह दल जो आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर है, हर कदम में एकता, हर चाल में शक्ति, यही है अशोक हाउस की पहचान। जोश, अनुशासन और गर्व के साथ आपके सामने है अशोक हाउस। उनके पीछे रमन सदन नीला रंग जो कि समुद्र और आकाश की विशालता, स्वतंत्रता और खुले विचारों का प्रतीक है। सदन के कैप्टन करण और ध्वजवाहक जिज्ञासा के नेतृत्व में सही समन्वय के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए
Marching is more than just about steps and formation. In fact, it is a beautiful portrayal of discipline, unity, harmony, and grit. And oath encourages fidelity to the extent that one cannot escape. Ultimate account.
mode. Here.
जाओ गो 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 लेंस वाइड नाही ना कुठे
Bluetooth
लाइन
mode.
लाइन जाऊची
hits. Hola, hola.
I dare you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Feel how the planets become one. Protect the drum to dance the rhythm. Hear the whistle, kick the ball. The entire world soars like an eagle in the open way. Like we dance, only today. There's no tomorrow. We go behind in this place. There's no space for fear or sorrow. Is it a chance? It's truth or fake? Can you feel it? La 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 la. I dare you. Palarong pambansa tayo ay magkaisa para sa tagumpay pangarap ng bawat isa. Mula sa hirap at pagsubok na dinaanan, pusong lumalaban at dito sinukuhan. Mga pangarap na ating binuo sa sayaw at galaw, iyong itatayo. Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y ng tagumpay, tintig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, laban na may puso, palarong pambansa, tayo'y magkaisa. Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y ng tagumpay, tintig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, isang bayan, isang layunin, palarong pambansa, pangarap ay aabutin. Sa bawat galaw, ating ipakita lakas ng loob, tibay ng diwa, kislap ng yaman, talento ng bayan. Sa ritmo ng musika tayo'y magkaisa. Mula sa hirap at pagsubok na dinaanan, pusong lumalaban at dito sinukuhan. Mga pangarap na ating binuo sa sayaw at galaw, iyong itatayo. Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y ng tagumpay, tintig ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, laban na may puso, palarong pambansa, tayo'y magkaisa. Tayo'y sumayaw,
दायित्व निभाने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। भुवनेश्वर संभाग का सबसे नवस्थापित केंद्रीय विद्यालय होने के बावजूद हमारे विद्यालय आज उत्साह, आशा और असीम संभावनाओं के प्रतीक बनकर उभरा है। आयु में भले ही हम नवोदित है, परंतु हमारा संकल्प दृढ़ है, हमारा दृष्टिकोण स्पष्ट है और हमारे विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास के प्रति हमारी प्रतिबद्धता अडिग है। खेलकूद केवल गतिविधियों नहीं है, बल्कि ये चरित्र निर्माण के सशक्त माध्यम है। भाग लेने के लिए निरंतर प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है। मुझे गर्व है, साथ यह साझा करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि हमारे नन्हे खिलाड़ी प्रारंभ में से ही अपनी प्रतिभा का उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र मास्टर श्रेयांश साहू कक्षा 5वीं, मास्टर अभिनव जैना कक्षा 4 तथा खुले जिम की सुविधा, शतरंज, कैरम, लूडो, टेबल टेनिस जैसे अंतःकक्षीय खेल तथा बैडमिंटन, बास्केटबॉल और क्रिकेट जैसे बाह्य खेल उपलब्ध कराए गए हैं। इस वर्ष छात्रों द्वारा दिखाई गई उत्साहपूर्ण रुचि को देखते हुए हमने अपने खेल आयोजन में इन लाइन और डबल लाइन स्केटिंग दोनों शामिल किए हैं। हमें मैदान में नियमित एवं कठोर अभ्यास कराया गया। इस तैयारी के परिणाम स्वरूप 30 मीटर दौड़, जूता दौड़, टेनिस बॉल फेंक, रस्सी कूद, डॉज बॉल हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। इस गौरवपूर्ण अवसर पर मैं एक बार पुनः सभी माननीय अतिथिगण एवं शुभचिंतकों को हमारे द्वितीय वार्षिक खेल दिवस के हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। आइए, आज यह आयोजन प्रत्येक बच्चों में खेल भावना, सहयोग और दृढ़ संकल्पों
So let's cheer up for the little stars. Yellow. So, Ashok House already scored. Ashok House girls have scored a point for them. Now it's time for the boys. Move on. Let's cheer up the boys. So 100-meter race for boys. 2 participants from each house. Shiva, yours seem to be. So the winner is very clear. Finally, let me remind you all, Raman House is yet to score. Now it's time for the girls, 100-meter girls. So let's start. To fly. So as per our habit, our school captain from Tagore.
On your mark. हाथ कीजिए, रखो. Bend down. Line stretch नहीं करना.
Shivaji leading the race in the first round. Tagore is not far behind. Asoka is little bit behind. Can the match up? Third round it is an again. Shivaji is on top. Then Tagore. Then Raman. Final round. Final round again. Shivaji far ahead. Tagore out. So here comes to 200-meter relay boys and Shivaji. Here you can see 200-meter relay girls. Bad luck for Ramanov. Round 2. Again the same pattern. Shivaji House is leading the race. Fantastic makeup by Asoka House from the 4th to the makeup to 2nd position. Very good Asoka. Shivaji was still leading. Behind Shivaji, Asoka and Tagore. Raman House is far behind. Fantastic makeup by Tagore House. From 3rd position, they make up to 2nd position. Again, the reliable Arushi is there. So results are Shivaji first. So here up to the toss. Toss won by Shivaji House and they choose to. Toss won by Shivaji House and first play by captain himself. Fantastic defense by Shivaji House. Fantastic error by Satyajit. Let's see what's happening on the other side of the ground. I can see little ones having fun with their balloon. How many balloons busted till now? Let's get back to the kabaddi match. It's a very exciting contest. Fantastic tackle by Shivaji out once again. Shivaji is leading the match. Ashish Mahapatam Shivaji. Well done. Can he save his team from being all out? Again, Captain Asura Group. One great point for Shivaji House. Fantastic makeup by Captain from Raman House. Right. Out. Now, jaldi. Beto, baar beto. One second. Fantastic game. Very good attacking tackle by Rohit. Very close to second all out. Second all out is very close for Raman out. Their players unknown match in Shivaji. Come on. Raman has up for a point. Already all up to them from Shivaji out. Round 1 won by Shivaji. Round 2. Top for the best for Raman out. Raman is trying their hard. All matches are quite expected also. So both the rounds are won by Shivaji House. So winner of Jaskadan sir is requested to coordinate the same with all the members and staff.
Sir.
Pragya madam, Puri madam is requested to coordinate with all the staff and BMC for exciting. So again, Shivaji was heading for a clear victory. However, Raman was giving some fight. If Shivaji win this time, it is a work continue to win. And all respect. So, let's hear from the judges. Who got what position?
Head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder.
इधर पहले मैं बोला था मैं नहीं कर पाएंगे. एक हाथ के साथ आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? बताइए बच्चे. Very good. Sir, play the music for third position. So all the fathers are ready for 70-meter race. Let's see पापाओं में कितना दम है. So here you go. All the fathers. Fantastic energy. Cheer up for the fathers, friends. Take care of your younger brothers and sisters. Cheer up for all the fathers. Oh, very bad luck, please. Again. All the coordinators, sir, please can you do little bit fast? All the coordinators. Alexa, sir. हाँ, बादल को दो, बादल को दो। Oh, fantastic! Cheer up for all the mothers. Cheer up for all the mothers. Very tough contest. Starting से कोई नहीं हाथ लेके गया. Very sad. I can see couple of students are here to encourage their mom. Participate in the event. Thank you. The round 2 for mothers. Okay. Round 2. Next round, please. जल्दी जल्दी आइए, जल्दी आइए, जल्दी. Cheer up for the final round. आरुषि किधर है?
K. Uma Maheshwar Rao, Honorable Principal Ma'am, KV NIT, Rahulkela, my dear students, all teachers, all faculty members, all parents present here, and media friends. Dear students, it is indeed a privilege for me to be present on this auspicious occasion of the annual sports day of Kendriya Vidyalaya NIT Raulkela. I sincerely thank the Principal Ma'am, school authorities for extending this honor, for giving me the opportunity to be part of this vibrant celebration of youth, energy and excellence. Son, that no textbook can fully explain how to face challenges, how to accept defeat with grace, and how to strive for excellence with honesty. Dear students, participation in sports help build confidence, leadership, physical fitness, mental strength. Winning is important, but what matters more is participation, fair play, and learning from every experience. Remember, a true sportsman respects rules, opponents, teammates alike. Part in each and every games or events and cheer louder. Today the playground is your classroom and you have enjoyed a lot. Sports are our teachers. Dear friends, remember one thing, winning is great, but giving your best is greater. Participation is more important than position. A true champion never gives up. Dear students, I like to remind you that while striving to win is important, participation with sincerity and fair play is even more significant. Victory and defeat are both valuable teachers. What truly matters is the effort you put in and the integrity with which you play. In addition to that, one thing I want to share about this Kendriya Vidyalaya NIT Raulkela, all credit goes to Director Professor Dr. K. Umar Shankar Maheshwar Rao, because he has taken all type of pain to start this NIT Kendriya Vidyalaya in this beautiful campus. Because he has also approached to me along with the register of this NIT that how quick Kendriya Vidyalaya should come up in the NIT campus, because where your school is going on for construction work, he approached that how best we can remove the trees immediately so that the building can come up and the NIT or Kendriya Vidyalaya can start immediately. Anyhow, with our supports, even though it was a little bit delay, but we have also extended our efforts how best this NIT Kendriya Vidyalaya can come up. And what I was just discussing with the director sir, and he told that it's already or about to complete your building, and hopefully you will enjoy your classroom with the new building and have a good success for your life. At the last, education instructor for their dedication in organizing these events, for continuously motivating students to pursue excellence in both academic and sports. I also appreciate the support and encouragement extended by your parents. To the parents, your encouragement and support play a crucial role in your children's development. Your presence today strengthens their confidence, inspire them to perform better. Let us all pledge to make sports an integral part of our daily lives. Enjoy the sports day. May today's event strengthen the spirit of unity, discipline, and sportsmanship among all. With these words, I extend my best wishes for the grand success of this annual sports of Kendriya Vidyalaya NIT Raulkela. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Advice of the Principal Ma'am, because after completion of this annual sports, there is a provision for holiday. So 9th January is your holiday to celebrate the moment or cheer the moments with your friend. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, my standing here near the podium is not there in our program sheet. But then after listening to your speech, and also I feel it is my responsibility to show our gratitude because of all your efforts and your contribution, your support. Our new building KVNIT Rourkela is coming up so fast. Had you not helped us so much, had you not given your support, this wouldn't have been possible. Let me tell you, sir, even our regional office people, when we went for principals conference to Bhubaneswar, that time we have shown some pictures to them. Then they said that KVNIT Rourkela is the first KV in the entire country which has come up so fast. It's all because of your support, sir. Had we not got the permission from Forest Department, we wouldn't have really made it possible. Thank you once again, and I'm sure that in future also your support will be there with us, so that definitely not only KVNIT but also on behalf of director, I think I can take his behalf. He will not mind. So even NIT will also be getting your support, sir. Thank you so much from bottom of everybody's heart. My school is really overwhelmed with this. We are very happy for your contribution, sir. Thank you so much.
Chief guest of this annual sports event, Sri J. Setiji, DFO Rourkela, and Professor Surjit Das, Professor Rajiv Panda, Professor Rohan Dhiman, Professor Anant Pradhan, and Professor Mayank Yadav, and all others. I think I am not missing Anil Kumarji, Professor Anil Kumar, and Swagatika Sahu ma'am, and my dearest students and their parents. A very good morning to all of you. Little louder. Lovely. Even now, at this hour, after playing so many sports and games, and that they still have the spirit to acknowledge my call. This is what the children really need. A small push, and then they are ready to take the first leap forward. And this is exactly what the teachers at KVNIT are really doing that. And today it is not just the display of sports as our chief guest has stated. It is the display of the collective effort and the perseverance and the preparation of the teachers in trying to set the trend and rhythm in the children who have displayed their talent before us. I was talking to Principal ma'am, and she said that sitting next to me, even the drum beat which you have heard, it took months for the the teachers to teach them the rhythm of the drum beat. And then it was absolutely an exceptional display of the talent of my children here. I congratulate you. Starting from the Zumba dance, and it was absolutely exceptionally great, and followed by the various other displays. And then the thing which I was really thinking that Kabaddi is not one sport which will be so interesting, but then the Shivaji house was really showing their excellence fighting with the Raman. Raman, you have played well. I'm not really saying that you have not, you have given up. The thing which you have got to really understand here is that till the last moment, Raman were having the hope that they will really give a big, befitting fight to Shivaji. But then, I congratulate Raman first for showing up your fighting spirit, and then I am congratulating Shivaji for coming out the winners. I feel happy to really give them the sort of qualified engineering education at NIT Rourkela. This is one opportunity that I really want to take this platform to say that from Balavatika, sir, from Balavatika, if they are committed, and if they are focused, if they are determined, if they define their goal, they can leave NIT campus with a PhD degree, which is the highest degree in the country, in the world. At one place, from Balavatika to PhD, this is possible, and then so many people have really come forward to make this reality, or this dream, a reality. So now, lastly, without any further extension, I once again would like to take this opportunity to thank our chief guest, Mr. Sethi ji, and for so many times we have really disturbed the process, but still he has been so kind and then helped us in trying to get the approvals on time. It is not just about KV on campus, it is for various other infrastructure projects that we have been really getting a lot of help and support and guidance from the Forest Department, Rourkela. I, on behalf of all my faculty, staff and students, and then the KV, NIT Rourkela staff, teachers and then students, we all thank you for your involvement and then help.